In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Google Finance in Sheets. If your Google Finance formulas aren't updating as often as you'd like, the fix is to make sure you're signed into Google Finance and then adjust your spreadsheet's recalculation settings. I'll guide you through it clearly, and you can follow along in your browser. First, open the Google Finance stock portfolio and watchlist page. In the top right, click Sign In. When the account chooser appears, select your Google account and then click Continue. Being signed in aligns your finance data and permissions with what Google Sheets can access, which helps prevent mismatches or stale results. Next, switch over to your Google Sheet. If it isn't open yet, open your sheet in a new tab. Before changing any settings, make a tiny edit so the file registers activity. Click into an empty cell, type a simple word like highlight, and press Enter. This creates a change event, which is useful when you're verifying that refresh behavior is working. Now in the sheet, go to the upper left and open the File menu. Choose Settings, then select the Calculation tab. This is the key area that controls how often your spreadsheet recalculates. Under Recalculation, change the option from On Change to On Change and every minute. That setting tells Sheets to recalculate volatile functions, including Google Finance, not only when you edit the file, but also automatically once per minute while the sheet is open. Click Save Settings to apply the change. From here on, your Google Finance cells should update when you edit and approximately every minute. A few helpful notes: minute-based recalculation is most reliable when the spreadsheet is open in a browser tab. If the file is closed, updates can pause. Data timeliness also depends on the source exchange and market hours, so brief delays are normal. This setting applies to the current spreadsheet, so you'll want to repeat it for other files that use live data. To confirm it's working, watch a price cell for a couple of minutes or make another small edit, like changing the cell where you typed highlight to trigger an immediate refresh. You should see values update without needing to manually reload the page. Quick recap: sign in to Google Finance, open your sheet, make a small edit, then go to File, Settings, Calculation, choose On Change in every minute, and save. With that set, your market data stays fresher with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother, more frequent updates in your Google Sheets.